What's up, Trill Gang, the Real Gang? Squad up! What's up, gang? Hey, it's your boy Trill B, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Look at that. All in the muscle. You feel me? It's all in the muscle. Alright, today, y'all, we have some McDonalds. Y'all. I'm eating McDonald's. Now, people who know me know that I am not a fan of McDonald's. But, I mean, I tolerate their breakfast. And today I was just wanting some McDonald's breakfast. I really do like they McGriddles. Bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles. They gave me, what is this? This is a, I didn't even order this. I didn't want this. I don't even do sausage. See, that's what annoyed me. That's what annoys me right there. All right. But hopefully they got the, they bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles. I love them. Look at these, y'all. Look at them. Hold on, let me put the, you see, let me give you a tour of that. Look at all of that goodness. Okay, now I do like that because you can tell they actually put their time and their effort. The best part is this little pancake thingy. The pancake thingy be busting. Alright, but I got me some orange juice as well. Kind of drank a little bit of the orange juice, was a little thirsty. But that's okay, you know how they go. You know how they go. Go ahead and put this grape jelly on here. Yeah. Bentley is up, y'all. Bentley is up right now. And my big boy, you can't really see him because he's right here. Them McGriddles be so good, especially when you put some grape jelly on there. It's so good, so good. Now, I never had that big breakfast before, so this is something new. I'm gonna taste a little bit of that probably. Taste some of that. If I don't get too full, I'm gonna eat that. But y'all, today is kind of a sad day because got the bad news that Chadwick Boseman, that played Black Panther, passed. And 2020 is just not it's not the year. It's not the year that everybody thought that it would be. You know, 2020 was correlating with 2020 vision, focus on your goals and everything. But still, 2020 is just showing people that you need to have 2020 vision, but don't live like you just got forever. You can be gone any time of the day, y'all. And that's why I'm gonna live my life, to at least do what I love to do, which is why I'm going hard on this YouTube stuff. Y'all, that really hurt me because finding out that my little sister had told me, and this was like, she told me 10 minutes before the shade room, everybody else started finding out. And I didn't believe her. I was like, what? Nah, quit playing. And I went to Google on my phone. Sure enough, it was real. That hurt me right there. I was not expecting that. Not him. He just inspired the black culture so much. He played as Jackie Robinson in some films. And yesterday was supposed to be Jackie Robinson Day. And Jackie Robinson Day came from the film, was inspired by the film that he was in. You know? It's just so sad. People just go so soon, y'all. That's why y'all can't play around with life. You gotta know what you gotta do and really go for it. Live your life. I don't even think I can watch the Black Panther, but I can't watch nothing else. I don't know if I'll be able to watch any other Marvel stuff. Because to be honest, Black Panther is what inspired, because black people love Marvel, but the Black Panther really inspired people to go and, you know, actually start supporting Marvel films. Yeah, that was just so sad to find out. My grape jelly good. I know I told them to put at least several packs in there. That's the least they can get right. Messed up one of my sandwiches. Ooh, excuse me. See how they biscuits. I don't even like biscuits like that. The biscuit not bad. It ain't bad. It's not bad. It is missing like a meat though. I should get like chicken or something on the side. Get stuff all in my face. I know. And y'all be petty. Y'all don't be telling me I have stuff on my face. Y'all just let me eat. I don't know. That biscuit is good, but I'm more of a McGriddle fan. I love my sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddles. I mean, bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Some pancakes right there. Are y'all pancake people or waffle people? It don't really matter to me. I eat either one. I either eat waffle or pancakes. They could at least put some ice cubes in here. Whew, I don't know, McDonald's, y'all not doing right now. Being one of the top fast food chains, Fast Food 101, make sure the drink is served cold. If it's not, there's something wrong. You're gonna throw the meal off. Yeah. It's real good. I'm telling y'all, go to McDonald's and say, and during the breakfast time, and say, can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle? Now, I know I'm gonna stir y'all wrong. I tell y'all the truth all the time. Whew. That's good. And I'm getting kind of full now. I might try one of these pancakes and call it a video. Call it a video. That's some good syrup. See what the pancake talking about. See what the pancake talking about. See what the pancake talking about. Oh. All right. Let's see McDonald's. McDonald's. Can use a little butter. Butter ain't bad. I mean, fast food pancake. Can use a little butter though. Ain't too bad. Woo. Yeah, I'm full. I ain't full, y'all. I ain't going to force myself. I'm not gonna force it. Not gonna force it. Ain't gonna force it. Ain't gonna force it. Oh. Ain't gonna force it. Ain't gonna force it. I forgot to do my thumbnail. See? That's what I be talking about. I'll just find the thumbnail. And I'll use that for my thumbnail. I'm not going to worry about it. That's my problem. See, that's what I be talking about. That's why I be trying to remember to do my thumbnail ahead of time. Because y'all see, y'all know once I start eating, it's over with. It's OD. It's over with. Y'all have a great Sunday morning, you know? And a great Sunday overall, all right? Get you some breakfast, you know, get you some breakfast, start your day up, get your energy up, and get to that bag, you feel me? Do something, do something, do something, all right? Okay, I'm done. All right, I love y'all, Trail Gang. Thank you for tuning in to me. I'll be back with y'all tomorrow on Monday, all right? On a fresh new day, fresh new video. I love y'all, Trail Gang. Thank you for supporting your boy. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. And you already know what to do in the meantime. Stay trill. You zig me, you know.